Hi, my name is Spencer Pulliam and I'm from Twin Falls, Idaho. I'm a Bachelor of Applied Science major. I have my associate's degree in electronics and computer technology, and I plan to hopefully go to graduate school at some point in time. However, this bachelor's degree will open up some pretty big opportunities at the current company I work for. I work for a company called Williams Pipeline. My hobbies are motocross. I love watching football, and I love spending time with my two daughters, the ages 1 and 3, and they pretty much take up most of my time. So the time I'm not with them, I do enjoy motocross. My expectation for this class is to give 100%. I hope to learn about lots about project management. It looks like we have a lot about the vocabulary involved in project management, so I look forward to see exactly what this class has to offer. My biggest concern, I'm not sure, I can't tell with the syllabus whether or not there's a group project, but that is always my biggest concern heading into these classes. I can guarantee you if I'm in a group with any of you, if we do have a project, that I will give 100%, but I've been in groups where there are students that don't do that, and it can affect a grade for everyone with just one person not giving their all with it. So that is always my concern. I've had more good experiences than bad. However, it does loom large. So anyways, I look forward to talking to all of you, and hopefully some other people will upload videos. I enjoy watching the videos of people rather than trying to read their introductions. So have a good one and good luck.